I got rid of all my plastic, so it's all like glass jars. Even all my sprinkles and stuff from my frozen yogurt. All of that. So you come in the pantry, all there is the frozen yogurt machine. And all the little snacks, my freezer, and then I got rid of all plastic bottles. So I just have this for right now. This is just my drink fridge. All my kids use a different kind of milk, you guys. My fresh juices, fresh water. That's all that's in this fridge. However, let me show you something. This is the kitchen where it all happens. Say hi, Marina. And guys, I have a walk-in refrigerator where we keep all of our fresh organic produce. We are building on the property all organic trees to grow our own vegetables and do all of our own stuff. So this, all of our meals, you guys know I eat plant-based now. So all of our stuff is in here. So it did look like an empty refrigerator that I took the photo in front of, I have to admit. But this is our big main refrigerator, guys. I also have another pantry because this is the kitchen that we cook in. Look what I have for dinner tonight, guys. Vegan tacos. This is all plant-based. Get what I'm eating tonight. Then, look at all this deliciousness. Then if you want a little more chaos with tons of oat milk and almond milk, you have this refrigerator. Okay? And then if you want freezer, I didn't even show you guys our other freezer. There you have it, guys.